Good morning, Sunday 23rd of February 2025. Not a bad morning. We had a little bit of rain about 6 o'clock this morning. Not complaining about that. We've still had some brilliant grass growth through the summer. We've quite a few storms coming through, lots of rain, it's good. We're just down in the chicken area. We'll let the chickens out. So yesterday we spent most of the day down at the Waimate rodeo. It's the first one we've been to. We really enjoyed it. Got a little bit burnt, but it was a good day, had by all of us. So we do look forward to the next one next year. A couple of wee jobs I'd like to do today. We've got the mucking out trailer on the back of the tractor. We'll take that up the back and empty that. And just a few other odds and end chores we'll end up doing. Let's take a look in the horses' paddock. We've been strip feeding them, and also where we've blocked them off, there's been some awesome growth. I'll show you what's going on. We've got some real good growth going on down the front there. We've still got all that to go through. I've been around the corner here. We had some hot tape around that part of the tree there, just so they wouldn't rub up against it. I'd hope for that to happen. So yesterday afternoon we come down, we've hot taped off this side here, so now that bit can start to heal. And now we're just running them down the front here. That sun's starting to come out, it's quite nice. Is that right, Elsie? Hey? So since we're starting to come into this area, just got to remove this waratah and turn it so these are pointing the right way. We want them sort of pointing out this way, so when we rotate around, it's not going to start touching the side of the waratah there. Hey girls. So we'll do that today as well as part of our chores. Waratah extractor and the rammer. Cap off. Hopefully we'll get away with just taking the two top wires off. Yep. A couple of horses helping. And we want to turn it round so the isolators sort of face out that way a bit more, because that's where we're going to be running the tape, spreading it around that way. Poppy. So now that's ready for the fence to start going around the other way. So we've had the cows down in the front paddock for the last month. And for the middle of summer, you'd expect it to be brown, but we've got some really nice green growth coming back through again, so we'll get another round with the cows through here. We had them in here through the Christmas New Year break. Once they'd finished up in here, I just got the slasher mower on the back of the tractor and just topped it. And oh, there's some brilliant growth. The good thing with having, you know, we've had a few dewy mornings, we've had quite a few rainstorms come through, and that's really kept the growth growing. Emily's walking Tilly. We're going to look for a few golf balls. We'll go and check on the cows. We've opened into the little forest part of the property. At the back here there's only a small amount of grazing, but they've been in here 2 weeks. They get the bottom of the creek and down the back half of the forest. So we'll see how they're going. We may end up putting them back into this back bottom paddock today, possibly. We'll have a look. So they go down, we've got it taped off from the creek. They've been down there eating all that, they've been in here. And then there's a wee gate into the rest of it which we've left open. They've done a fabulous job. So before Christmas we had them through here and we were giving them slices of paddock. Look at the growth. So we'll let them back in here again probably today. I've sprayed Torden a couple of weekends ago with gorse, brambles, just little bits starting to come back through again. So we've sprayed all that, so that should be good. And once they're finished in there, we'll bring them back into this paddock here. So hopefully by then, we'll get them through most of autumn, and then we'll put them onto the baleage. How come Tilly's got the wee cone on her head?
She keeps licking her skin raw.
Oh, that's right, yeah. Did you find any golf balls, Bubba? No?
No.
Did Tilly find any?
Did you keep sniffing? I think she said no. Yeah.
I'll take you down the front, show you the front paddock. Cows again have done a great job. They've done a really good job. And across the creek, I just can't believe the growth we've had this summer. Really, really good. Normally this will be all brown. That was all dug up just before Christmas. I've already mowed it once. It's grown back real good after they put the new water pipes in for us. So that's another wee job on the to-do list. I mowed the side of the road last weekend. It looks as though it needs it done again. That's just how good the growth is at the moment. I look forward to carrying on down the driveway here and cleaning all this up.
Can you imagine tilling in there? Grass. Too good to do this.
Yes, I've got the ute for sale. 2 weeks ago I started a new job and it's about a 35-minute commute to my new job. I'm still a vehicle inspector, but I'm now undergoing training so I could start doing inspections on heavy vehicles, truck and trailer units, etc. It's a good opportunity and the pay increase was substantial, so it was worthwhile for me to make the change and go from the local garage, which was only a couple of kilometres a day, to a 42-kilometre one-way drive. Even with the extra fuel, it's still worthwhile, and after 3 months, if everything works out good, I get the opportunity to get a fuel card. So I ended up buying a 2004 Ford Fairmont, really good open road driving vehicle. So for now, we don't need the ute. I've got the 7x4 trailer which fits a 5-foot hay bale on it, and the car has a tow bar, so I'm going to sell the ute to recuperate some of the money and enjoy my new career. This is the car here. It's in quite good condition for its age. Drives really nice on the open road. The Real New Zealand Adventures YouTube channel. One of their stickers they sent me on the back of the car here. Our neighbour down the road's got his burn pile going. I've just checked fire restrictions and ours is lifted here, and we have 2.7 hectares, so anything over 2 hectares we don't have to apply for a permit. We just have to take all the precautions, obviously. So I think today we might get that pile going. Well, that's the burn pile done. Still smouldering away a little bit. That's looking good. Alright, so now we'll fire up a tractor. I'll bring it out the back here and we'll empty the horse manure trailer. Knocking out, trailer's empty. Now we're going to go and take it back into Elsie's paddock. Emily's grooming the horses. So the horses still have all that to go. And I've got the trailer parked over far enough so it's not going to interfere with the hot tape. So that's the mucking out trailer empty. Do that every 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. I think we've got 3 weeks out of that one. So that's another wee chore ticked off the list for today. Burn pile's happily smouldering away. Ready to add more to it.
You get to go with her brush and get all the dirt off it.
You're getting the clean, Poppy.
She's a cleaner's pony. She's... Hey! Just
And what about Elsie?
dirtiest.
What's that? Well, we're going to call that a day. We got a bit done today. Ended up leaving the cows still down in the front in the middle paddock. We'll just move them during the week. They haven't been crying out to us, they're happily eating. There's still a bit of grass there, so we'll just keep them out there for another few days. So we'll look at shifting them either during the week, or we'll try and keep them in there until next Saturday. Well, time to head inside and have some tea.